If you have earned Salesforce Trailhead badges and want to showcase them professionally, adding them to your LinkedIn profile is a smart move. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to add your Trailhead badges to LinkedIn step by step, even if you have zero experience. This helps you highlight your learning progress and improve your professional visibility. To get started, first log into your Salesforce Trailhead account and go to your profile. Here, you will see all the badges you have earned. Copy your public Trailhead profile link, as this will be useful when adding it to LinkedIn. This link acts as proof of your achievements and allows others to view your badges. Next, log into your LinkedIn account and go to your profile page. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. If you do not see it, click on Add Profile section and then choose Licenses and Certifications. Click on the Add icon to open the form. In the name field, you can write something like Salesforce Trailhead badges or mention a specific badge or super badge if you want to highlight it individually. In the issuing organization field, enter Salesforce. Then add the issue date based on when you completed the badge. Now, paste your Trailhead profile link into the credential URL field. This allows anyone viewing your profile to verify your badges easily. If you have multiple important badges, you can repeat this process and add them separately for better visibility. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. Your Trailhead badges will now appear on your LinkedIn profile, making it more attractive to recruiters and showcasing your continuous learning. You can also add your badges to the featured section of LinkedIn by adding a link to your Trailhead profile. This makes them more visible at the top of your profile. In short, adding Salesforce Trailhead badges to LinkedIn involves copying your Trailhead profile link, adding a certification entry, and linking it for verification. Now that you know the process, go ahead and showcase your achievements to strengthen your professional profile. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.